Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your Ford Transit service light. First, get into your vehicle and turn the ignition to the on position, but don't start the engine. Next, press both the accelerator and brake pedals down at the same time. Keep holding them for approximately 20 to 30 seconds. You'll notice the service light begin to flash, then it should reset. This simple method often clears the warning quickly. If the first method doesn't work, don't worry, there are other approaches. Some Ford Transit models might require a slightly different sequence, like cycling the ignition on and off 3 times. Always consult your vehicle's owner's manual for the most accurate, model-specific instructions. For more stubborn lights, a professional diagnostic tool can easily clear the service reminder, ensuring everything is properly reset. After successfully resetting the light, it's crucial to confirm it stays off when you restart the engine. This indicates a successful reset. Remember, regular maintenance is key to preventing future service light issues. Stick to your recommended oil change schedule, typically every 500 to 10,000 miles. Also, routinely check your tire pressure. For many transits, 60 psi in the front is a good target. If your service light reappears shortly after a reset, it's a strong signal that there might be a more significant underlying issue. Don't ignore persistent warning lights, as they could indicate problems requiring professional attention, like engine or transmission faults. It's always best to have a qualified mechanic diagnose and address these concerns promptly. Also, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.